Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by deciding your edge line and depth, 0. 5 to 2 inches is common for shallow beds, deeper for retaining soil. Set a taut string or hose to guide a straight run, then position the shovel blade on the outside of that line. Drive the blade vertically with your foot. Make short, rhythmic stamps so the blade penetrates cleanly. Once done, lever the soil toward the bed using the back of the blade to create a crisp lip. You continue by working in short segments. Every 6 to 12 inches, push the shovel blade down and then tilt to cut beneath the sod. Make overlapping cuts so sections lift cleanly. Remove strips and set them aside for compost or reuse. For curved beds, use shorter strokes and rotate your hips for control. Make sure to keep the bevel of the blade facing the lawn. This creates a durable lip that resists grass encroachment. You finish by cleaning the edge. Backfill any undercut soil toward the planting bed and tamp it down so the edge holds. Use the flat of the shovel to smooth and define a straight or scalloped profile, whatever you planned. If cuts look ragged, go over them again with a sharper blade. For compacted ground, lightly moisten or loosen with a mattock first. If grass keeps creeping, deepen the edge 1/2 inch and add a physical barrier for stubborn areas.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.